YouTube starting up. I want to see what we get off the market ripper. I feel like we're going to respect this 4-hour bullish fair value gap and continue higher, so we'll see. We shall see. We're going to come into an hourly bearish fair value gap too. I'm actually going to mark this out and see if we inverse it, because that'll make me want to be even more bullish. Where's my arrow there? Because this candle closes in 30 minutes anyway. Alright, geez, price action. You want to slow down for me a little bit? Holy shit. So crazy. See if once we hit this hourly, if we can kind of just stay in here a little bit. I don't know. People probably aren't trading because non-farm got canceled. I don't know. Whatever. I don't know where Mr. Winglong's at. He's probably not trading. What? Yeah, these are the OGs. I just can't wait to the day, guys, when we're like fucking... There's like 85 million people in here. Definitely gonna wait for 10, guys. If we inverse this hourly bearish fair value gap too, that's gonna set my bias to definitely bullish. But I want to see if we can react off this a little bit and then come down to hourly equilibrium. But I want to wait for news. I'd rather just play it smart today. Just again, because everything that's going on. I want to wait for that 10 a.m. closure. No, Turb. We'll go outside after. I'm gonna put some music on for myself. No, these are dead again. What are we looking? 20%, hopefully. Okay, we got 7. That'll make us last. Oh. Oh, I don't give a shit about somebody's Snapchat. How the fuck do I get these notifications on? My iPhone setting, go to application and search for Snapchat. Click disable notes. Thank you, sir. Mr. T Long, somebody follows through, it'd be funny. Alright, that'd be funny, dude. What up, Nobi? ES is continuing higher. I'm gonna get rid of equilibrium for right now. So it just isn't in my way. Yeah, we look like we're reacting off this 4 hour pretty heavily. But let's see where we come up to this hourly high. Let's see what we get. Let's see if ES wants to keep continuing higher or not. Turbo, no! Reckon off that. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, those people who were long, dude. Oh my god, they just got butt raped. Everyone buy the dip. Holy shit. How many point move was that within 10 seconds? 44 point move, 43 points. Wow. We're still respecting this hourly order block right here. Just gonna still stay patient, wait for ISM services PMI to drop, and then see what we get. And I want to see how the price is moving after that. But if I don't see anything, guys, that's like, I'm gonna wait for the extra confluence too, because I want to end the week green. So, but if I see something nice, we'll take it. Oh, these notifications, even on fucking messages, dude. Stop. Oh my god. Oh. I probably look retarded, just bumping my head. You guys can't even hear what I'm listening. Listening to Cardi B right now. I'm just kidding. I'm listening to Don Tolliver. What I'm interested to see is if ES comes and takes out this hourly high, and if Nasdaq stays in this hourly fair value gap, and we can form an S&T off of that, and maybe come down to this hourly low. Maybe let's just wait. I'm gonna keep waiting. I'm not even gonna put any ideas in my head yet. I want to see this news drop. We got like 14 minutes. Yo, Master, quick question. If there's an inverse fair value gap, but the candle isn't closed, you gotta wait for the candle closure. Like, you're meaning like right now, right? See, like how this isn't an inverse fair value gap yet. If this candle closed like this above it, it'd be inverse fair value gap. But we still have 10 minutes and 55 seconds left, so on the hourly time frame, I want to wait for this candle closure. It just gives you that confirmation that it really is an inverse fair value gap. Even for my entries sometimes too, when we respect the fair value gap, I wait for that candle closure. That's just me personally, how I learned. But again, you just don't want to say, hey, this looks like an inverse fair value gap, I'm going to go long. Again, it can still continue up, but again, we want that confirmation that it's an inverse fair value gap. And then wait for that retrace if we're bullish, and then that's where I'd like scale down to the 5 minute, wait for a 5 minute fair value gap fill, 15 minute fair value gap fill, scale down to 1 minute, and then look for entry. Yes, sir. Skirt. Yeah, I'm definitely waiting for this news drop, guys. We got 9 minutes till it drops. 9 minutes 30 seconds. So we're respecting 4-hour bullish fair value gap, and let's see if we inverse this hourly. So we're respecting bullish confirmation, especially on the higher time frame, and disrespecting bearish. So, and we'll perform this 15-minute bullish fair value gap too. So, see on Nasdaq, we don't have it, but we'll break structure on the 15-minute on Nasdaq. See what we get. I'm just gonna stay in the hourly right now. I don't want to focus on lower time frames when news drops. If you got any of you guys watch Tori trade, she's a good ass trader, dude. It just shows you that even if you're really good at trading, like drawdown happens in this game. Like she was in $280,000 drawdown, and it just shows you how trading really is. And now she's up 60K. She held it. Wow. Whoa, big ripper. All right, let's see how I react off this high. ES took it out. Nasdaq didn't. Yep. Let's see how she goes. This new update on this iPhone, dude. I fucking still can't even figure out how to go through shit. Why we got boobie? I wanna see this hourly candle closure. Oh. Whoa, calm your shitski. Scared me. Interesting. Here's another text. It's gonna announce it, dude. Alright, news drops in 2 minutes. Let's see what we want. Right now, I don't want to take a trade at all because both indexes are not correlated with each other. Nasdaq's continuing lower, ES is continuing higher. So I'm just staying patient. Alright, let's see this close. Five, four, three, two, one. News drop. Ooh. Oh! That's why we wait. Holy shit. Alright, ES inverse that hourly fair value gap, which is interesting. This is an hourly low. Nasdaq inverse it. Formed a 5-minute S&T off the high. I'm gonna stay on the 5 minute and be patient. I want to see if ES is gonna react off of this 15 minute, continue higher, and then Nasdaq's gonna sweep out this low. But I'm not liking how we're looking right now because they're just not correlated with each other. If ES inverses this 15 minute. We want previous day low, dude. Mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm. $9.45. I'm not sure if daylight savings happens today. Do we have equal lows right here? No. What are you trying to do here, man? You want to continue lower? Mm-mm-mm-mm. Nasdaq is giving me bearish vibes here, guys. I want to see if ES inverses this 15 minute first, though. Dude, I think we want to continue lower. Yes, sir, Yas. Have a good day. Alright, no SMT formed at the low. No SMT formed. Oh, my fucking stream. Are you kidding me? My camera went out. Of course. YouTube, you can still hear me, but my camera went dead. So. Another 5-minute bearish for Vega over here. What up, Wing Wong? like to come up into that 15-minute bearish for value gap first on NASDAQ before continuing lower. Stop. Alright, ES didn't inverse this 5-minute bearish fair value gap, dude. I don't know here. I just don't like how ES is showing us that we want to go higher, and NASDAQ showing me I want to go lower, you know? And then at least like this 15-minute to get filled, instead of just reacting off of this 5-minute. But ES respected this bullish 15-minute. It's like... I'm a virgin. Yeah, I want NASDAQ to line up with ES. Like Zach said. Because right now I think it could go to either direction. ES is showing me he wants to go higher. What gap is this? It's a 15-minute. I don't know, man. these headphones. They piss me off. Very nice. CPS versus this 5 minute. We already took this high, so this is our 50-minute now. We could target. What's that? Is that at 9:45? Who do you love? All right, ES inverse at 5 minute. Dude. Dude, I might not just trade today, dude. I think ES is going to come take this 15-minute high, but it's like I want NASDAQ to at least inverse that 15-minute. Now we broke structure back to the upside. Oh, I want long. Oh my God. I don't know, dog. NASDAQ tapped into that 15-minute, dude. Let's see. I don't know, man. Today's a little bit of a tricky day. cream is dead, dude. Mmm. It's like I see ES going long and I see NASDAQ going short. I want NASDAQ to at least inverse that 15 minute. And if now it's respecting this again, dude. It's just uncertainty. I don't like that. Alright, now we're about to form that. This is at 8:45. This is Thursday. It's here. So we did just form a 15-minute S&T from here to here, which is interesting. Which is interesting. This is at 6:30 Thursday. 6:30 Thursday. We did put in a 15-minute S&T. I don't like this price action right here. ES is all the way above these highs, dude. Getting mixed signals here. And that's making me just want to walk away. We broke structure back to the downside again in the 1 minute. Broke structure to the upside, broke structure to the downside, broke structure to the upside, broke structure to the downside. this is what I'm gonna look for right here. Let's see this. We're gonna create a 5-minute here. God, who's texting me again, man? Ay, ay, ay. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Off that 15-minute SMT, ES is the leading index, and it's showing us that it wants to continue up. But NASDAQ's over here fiddling with us. If let me see here. Oh my gosh. Oh. No hourly bearish fair value gaps. This doesn't close for 3 hours. Oh. Oh. Staying patient here. I want to see if we get this 5-minute break of structure. ES is showing me it wants to continue higher, and it's the leading index right now. Now 1-1. Dude, we might get something. We really might get something. Wee, wee, wee. Minute 40 till this candle closes. I'm going to treat this one like one of the first strategies I've ever learned. That 5-minute break structure, wait for a 5-minute retracement, scale down to the 1-minute time frame, and see if we have confirmation. That's how I'm going to treat this one. So we'll see. Ain't nobody fuck with my... This could be a TP level. I don't know, man. YouTube, you can't even really see me right now, which sucks. Because the camera died, but it's all good. You could still hear my voice. Ain't nobody fuck with my I'm gonna X out this equilibrium right here. I'm not too worried about it anymore. Dude, no way. We broke structure on the 5-minute. No way. Enemy inversion. I'm gonna stay patient. Oh, that's. Stop. Don't you dare step in here, dude. This is interesting. We got 4 minutes. I gotta pee. Hold on. What do you want? What do you want, boy? What you want? What do you think? Long or short? Short or long? What you back? Zach's in long. I want to get this 5-minute retracement real quick, and I'm gonna start looking. Can we get my camera working again? We got 2% now. I've been to be my favorite. Oh my god, I might get my 5-minute retrace. No! Don't make me wait 5 more minutes. Oh, you asshole. You asshole. We did form a 5-minute bullish fair value gap though. I want my 5-minute retrace. I'm gonna fix this camera. Hold on, YouTube. I'm fixing it. Video. Nope. Hola. All right, we're back. We're back. Let's see if this wants to continue up without me. Let me just stay patient real quick. I like longs, but I want my 5-minute retrace. Let's see if it wants to go without me. If it does, I'm fine with it. So ES formed another 15-minute bullish for a value gap also. So let's see if we can get that retrace. NASDAQ didn't create one. Symbiosis. Wanna flow. I want my 5-minute retrace. Yeah. Skirt. Papa like a court. You a dork. Skirt, skirt. Mama. I'm gonna wait for that 5-minute retrace. This is just my game plan. I'm gonna wait for that 5-minute retrace, then scale down to 1 minute. If we get entry, we get entry. But I want to see if we're gonna retrace a little bit first and then continue with the up move. So we'll see. We're coming into this 5-minute bullish for value gap right now. So let's see the reaction we get off of it. If we can close bearish here on the 5-minute, that'd be nice. We have a minute left, and then we could scale down. It looks like we might want to sweep these lows and then continue higher. But if we can close with a bearish candle here right now, for me, I'd like that. And then I'll scale down, which we're probably not gonna. I like that reaction though. Whoa. Yeah. Woo. 488 with the gears. And the same lips that be ass kissing. I'll open the chat in a second, guys. I want to lock in here real quick because I might get my setup. 5, 4, 3. Let's close inside this bullish fair value gap. Come on, let's close inside it. Okay. All right. We didn't inverse it yet, right? Let me see. Let me get a little bit closer. All right. No, we didn't, but we got our 5-minute retrace. I'm going to scale down to the 1-minute time frame. And then I'm going to see what we can get. I'm going to mark this out. Where could equilibrium be to? These lows to these highs. So let's see here if we react off of this. And then want to continue higher. If we don't get this, guys, I'm done for the day. Okay? But we got our 5-minute. This is one of the first strategies I've ever learned. We got that 5-minute retrace. Now I'm going to scale down to the 1 minute. We're reacting off 5-minute equilibrium too. So let's see if we want to sweep out these lows. We didn't inverse that 5-minute, which I like still. We closed like right in it. So let's see. And then if we can get a long position, this will be break even at the top up here. And then we'll target these highs. Get a pink Bugatti. Like I said, I'm waiting for that one extra confluence today, guys, because of what government and everything and NFP being canceled. So I want to see at least a break of structure on the 1 minute and then a retrace into a fair value gap, equilibrium, something. So motorsport. I put that thing in sport. Shot it dead. Pop out like a cork. Oof, oof. Staying patient. Ooh, let's put on some pop smoke. Put on some pop smoke. My testes are feeling a trade is coming inbound. Testes never lie. I'm gonna X out this 15-minute frame value gap. Fuck that one. Have mercy on me. Equal highs almost on NASDAQ. Whoa. Calm down, Tiger. Came up and we inverse this bearish gap too, guys. So I do like. Gonna retest off it. Might get a break. Let's see. Oh shit, my mouse went dead. I'm going to enter in half my position size if we break. Many, 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 many. Alright, I'm going to enter in half here. 1, 2. Stops below this low. 1, 2. This is going to be break even right here. There's going to be break even. I entered in 2 micro E-minis on this right now. I want to see a little bit more confirmation before I enter in my full position size. $29 stop. Alright, so I'm risking 116 right now, which I'm okay with. See what happens here. This is why I'm going in half my position size, because we could easily reverse here. I don't want to get faked out, but we'll see. 168 is going to be my, I'm going to put it at 161 and 168 are both of my take profits right now. Like this. Break even is going to be at 128. How are we looking in here? Oh, Zach got stopped out. Shit. Anybody else take another trade? I like this right now. 15-minute SMT, we came up. We inversed that 5-minute, and we're about to inverse the 15-minute also, which I like. This closes in 2 minutes, this candle. I'd like for the next macro for us to start continuing up, which is in 3 minutes. But I'm in half my position size right now. Like I said, if we come down below this low, we're just wrong. But we'll see if we get anything coming here. Alright, this 15-minute candle closes in 1 minute and 20 seconds, guys. If we inverse this 15-minute bearish fair value gap, that'll give me a little bit more confidence coming into this. I just don't like how price action's slowing down a little bit at this area. Seconds. Oh. Come on. $30 seconds. Which is a coincidence, because it's literally going to be the next macro. See if we want to continue higher. Miss Jamaica. 12, 11, 10, 9. All right, we inverse that 15-minute bearish fair value gap. Let's see if sellers want to step in here, or if we continue back up. I'd like us to hold. I would like us to hold here. Come on, buyers. Don't reverse on me. Step in, baby. Uh-oh. That's not good. See if we want to take that low. See if we want to take that low and continue higher here. I think that's equilibrium also. From this low to this high. Yep, it's equilibrium also. Let's see if we want to react off here and continue bullish. I want a bullish reaction off of this. Nah, I don't like that. Eve. Yeah. Saw me right, but my mind, so I lost it. Yeah, I'm not liking this right now. Oh. Yes, yeah. I ain't liking that, guys. I think we're gonna get stopped out here. See if we inverse this 1 minute down here. Candle closure below this low. Let's see if we want to go up. Let's see if they wanted to sweep that. Nah, ES is coming into this 5 minute. I'm not liking this too much though, guys. Where the hell We're about to hit VWAP, so let's see if we get selling here. We might get stopped out right on this candle. See? Come on, guys, let's hold. Let's go, buyers. Come on. Come on, buyers. I've been trading. I've been doing all this shit. Sounds good, party. Say good morning. I know, for real, J. Cole. Let's see if ES wants to inverse this 5 minute. If it does, we're probably going to get smoked. I just think ES might want to come down into this 15-minute fair value gap, and that's going to make us retrace on NASDAQ. But let's see. Buyers are trying to step in here, but I'm not liking it too much, to be honest with you. Alright, we're in this 1 minute bullish fair value gap. Let's see if we want to respect it. If we disrespect it, we're getting schmacked. What is this too? This is that 5 minute bullish fair value gap too. Let's get rich. Buyers, 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 buyers. Buyers, buyers. Go, 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 go. Come on. We want this. Trust. 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 Ooh. Let's go. Don't you dare reverse on me now. Don't play with me like that. Don't play with me like that. I like that reaction, but I don't want to go down now. We formed a 1 minute bullish fair value gap, guys. I want to respect this if we come back down. If we disrespect that, I'm probably going to exit the trade. But if we're going to continue up now, this is where we have to continue up. If we come back down and inverse this, I'll probably cut the loss. But if we're going to push up here, this is where we're going to need to push up. Was that 5 minute equilibrium also? If we go from the low to the high, I want to see the reaction off of this. Yes, it is. I'd like that close. And I dum dum da 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 dum 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 da 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 dum dum da 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 dum. See what we want here, guys. See what we want. Let's see. I want this to be respected. We're going to come into it. Let's see. If we disrespect, well, of course not. Of course that candle had to close like that. Let's see. We want bullish reaction out of this area. I want a bullish candle closure. 3, 2, 1. Dude, really? Did we inverse that? No. Ah! Stop it! Don't you dare stop me out on this candle now. Let's see what happens, guys. We might get stopped out on this candle right here. Yep. You bastards. You bastards. You bastards. Alright, we're going to inverse it, guys. I might cut it here. How many points? Last time I cut this, though, with a couple points left. 9 points. I might as well just hold at this point. We have a 1 minute bearish fair value gap here, too, though. Let's see. See if we respect it. I don't love you now, I love you right now. Honey, I'll text you in a second, okay? I want to see how this trade runs. I want to see if you respect this bearish fair value gap. If you're watching me. We're counting the chop. We're counting the chip chop. Come on, inverse this. We still have a chance. We still can survive. That's crazy, Wing Wong. 1K views? Yes, sir. How? They're really making it hard for me here, guys. I want to see if we inverse this gap now. What are you saying? How needs to start smacking your butt like the horse racing? You want me to start smacking my butt? This is turning sexual. Wing Wong's got a gaming YouTube. Tell her friends. Guess who's back? 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 Can we just pump? Just like. I created a monster. Now we formed another bullish fair value gap. So swallow your lip, bum a little bit, blabba doobie dabba gobby, jamba the bit. I'm so used to my freaking mouse pad being over there. Let's see if we're gonna come to break even-ish. This might be a little bit too quick of the break even there. I might cut it to like below this low. Let's go. Come on. Don't fuck around with us. We've been waiting in this already for like 50 minutes, dog. I think I'm going to move my stop loss up to here. I think that's what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to move her up and reduce the risk a little bit to 98.75. 98.75 is my stop loss. Okay, yep, we're going to keep the stop loss there, right? We're going to get a little pumper here. We're going to keep it below that low, right? We should start pumping here if we want it. Come on, Nomi. Nobi, Jablomi. All right, worst case scenario, right? Price came down to that low and I was minus $60 per account. So regardless, we end the week up if it comes back down. So that's what I'm okay with. But again, we could have a reversal here. We really could. So we want it to pump. We're going to trust our trade and we're going to hold it. When's our next 5-minute fair value gap? Right here. This is the end of it. What are we trying to target here? 1 to 2.4, and then the first take profit's a 1 to 2. I know touch. I know touch. I read the trade wrong. I know touch. I know touch. I went in half my normal position size anyway, so. Yeah, die. Hold on, Wing Wong. I'll answer you in a second. I'm currently having an aneurysm on the inside. As ES is about to inverse this 5-minute fair value gap. We argue all the time. Can you continue up this time? I'm listening to Khalid right now. How the fuck you say his name? Young, Dumb, and Broke. It's calming down the anxiety. Oh my god. Trust the trade. Trust the trade. I'm going to put a red line right here. This is that last 5-minute fair value gap that we could reverse at. I would like to inverse that. You know what I'm saying? I'm so high at the moment. That coca. No. Dude, NASDAQ, I mean, ES is about to inverse this 5-minute, dude. Like, for real. And that's kind of concerning me a little bit. Oh, wait, hold on. Hold your tighty whities. We're in a 15-minute bullish fair value gap on ES. Oh. Oh. Can you continue up? Your girl is a hoe. She fucked up my bros. I close in profit. Fuck on this. Good luck, Travis. I suggest to break profit. We'll see how she goes. I might go break even soon. Appreciate it. Have a great weekend, Mr. T Long. Peace. Peace. Peace to ya. Swipe it. Swipe. Rump. Drop. Boop. Dirt. Pull down in a Toyota. I am not liking this price action right here, dude. Really not. Straight up. How are we looking? We formed a 5-minute bullish fair value gap right here. Rising me with my eyes closed. The shit on your nose. We got a 5-minute tiny, teeny, tiny spaghetti fair value gap down here. If we inverse that, I'm probably going to get out. So I'm probably going to move my stop loss up below this bearish fair value gap right here. We'll probably go like right here. This bullish 1 minute. We'll put it right below this candle wick. That's what I'm going to do. Less risk. Less risk. Right? We're going to let the trade run, but we're going to play her safe in case we do get stopped out, right? So I'm going to move my stop up to 25110. 25110. That's what I'm going for. You got out? Holding. Hold it. Who? Yeah. We have a 1 minute bearish fair value gap right here we're tapping into. I might take a little partial right here. I might take one partial. Alright, I'm going to take a partial here, right? And we're going to leave that one runner. We're going to leave that one runner. We're going to leave it at the top right here. Like that. Right there. This is the trade. We took a partial here. At 38. I took a partial. 38.75. I took a partial. So right there. Stop loss going up a little bit. Below the fair value gap. We're about to inverse this 5 minute. We have a minute left. All right, risk-free trade basically. So we're up $36 per account regardless, taking that profit. So that's $36 times 13. We're still up $500 basically, $468. I'll take it. But let's inverse this 5 minute. We got 50 seconds. Ha. Wing Wong, you're in this trade? Yeah, baby. Did you take a partial or no? Holding to my nuts, John. I want to hold this last runner too. I'm holding this last runner to full TP. I don't give a shit what happens. That partial made me feel comfortable. Now I want this baby just to run. I only went in 2 micros on this though. Because again, government's closed. NFP was canceled. I'd rather just be safe. I'm going to take one at 25, 146, 146. That's probably a good spot because we have that 1 minute. We have this 1 minute right. Oh, no, we already inversed that hourly. We do have this 1 minute right here, so the 50% level would be nice there. 1 minute bearish fair value gap right here. Is that 46? Yep, it is. Look at that, Wing Wong. That's a good take profit. We inversed that 5 minute, so we're letting this baby go. I'm going to put my stop loss right below this. I'm going to put it at break even, dude. I'm going to put it at break even. Stop loss break even. Definitely a risk-free trade here, guys. So let's see what she goes. I think that's a smart thing to do. Because we have this 1 minute bearish bullish fair value gap protecting us. We could come down, and we also have this 5 minute protecting us also. So Leers. Whoa, I got stopped. No. No. It stopped me. Why is it going to go up now too? I got stopped out by the tick. No way. It's all good. We still made money, but fuck. Why did I get stopped out there, though? Where'd I have my stop loss? I had my stop loss at 118. It's probably because I'm on the micros. Wow. Stopped out by the tick, dude. Of course when I do that. It's up to you, Wing Wong. I think it's going to continue up, but again, I can't. If you want to take a partial to be safe, it's up to you. Oh, that stinks. I got to take my sell limit order out. Hold on. Before. Oh, that stinks. We still ended the day $33 per account. That stinks. Boo-hoo. Right, I'm sweating after that trade. All right, YouTube. We got stopped out at break even. All right, it was worth the shot. I'd rather be out of it anyway right now, but I think it was still a good trade. We took partial right here, but it's all good. She's all good. Let me put this in the chat. See, that's where like I would have still been in my trade, but I guess the freaking, since I'm on the micro on the regular contract on my broker. Yeah. All right, let me post this on Instagram. I don't know what that candle's from. Again, you got to remember when the government's shut down right now, like the news releases are going to be delayed. Like it's just like, that's why I went in half size. All right, we had the trade going well, and we wanted this to be our full take profit, but we ended up getting stopped out on our trailing drawdown. I had break even, but as you can see on the micro E-mini contract, we got stopped out by the take, but we took a partial there. We ended up making $36 per account, which isn't a lot. I went in half my normal position size. I don't know why that's not showing. Hold on. Why doesn't it show my profits? Why doesn't it show my profits on the accounts on this? Dollar total P&L. There we go. Put this down there like that. Save. Okay, there we go. I got it. All right, retake. All right, we took a partial right here at this green line, and I ended up putting my stop loss to break even, but this is the normal contract, right? This is the mini contract. I ended up putting my stop loss at break even here. And as you can see, we took a partial right there, and we ended up getting stopped out at break even. I wanted the trade to run all the way to this high, but we didn't get it. I went in half my normal position size because of everything that's going on with the government. But as you can see, we made $36 in the day still with taking that partial, or $33 you could see with the fees. But as you can see on all the PA accounts, I wanted that last runner, but we literally got stopped out by the tick. And I still think it's going to continue up, right? But we'll see. We'll see. But other than that, we ended the week There you go. Proof. All the PA counts. Right? Add it up. There you go. Damn! I closed for $40 per account. I'm just not going to be a monkey and take... Yeah, I agree, Wing Wong. This again, I think it still could go up. But you got to remember, it's Friday. I don't know. If you're fine with taking your profit, take your profit. I really wanted to let that last runner run. And then it freaking skyrockets down like that. I swear it always happens. But it's all good. It's all good. I think it was a good trade. We gave it a shot. We trusted it. I like how we went in half the position size also, just to be smart. TP hit, and then got stopped at a break in. Yeah, fuck this shit anyway. Alright, Zach, how'd you do? Did you end up re-entering? I'll probably go on the mic. Hello? Can you hear me, Zach, or no? Are you still there? No? See? Yes? Alright, YouTube, I'm going to cut you. We froze for a little bit, but we got it back up and running. Stopped out at break even. Again, this is on the mini contract on E-mini. I trade micros on Tradeovate. So again, we got stopped out at break even. It's a little bit different. But I had my stop loss around. I got stopped out at 25,118.50. So it came down all the way to 1850 down here. So this is where we got stopped out. So again, $33 per account. That's still 33 times 13. Still made 430 bucks. Still good. All right, guys. Wing Wong, I like your video. I'm gonna be pissed, Wing Wong, when this comes up and hits our TP. I'm telling you. But it's a smart thing we did. We played that well. We can't get FOMO. I think we let it do its thing, and that's just how it happens, you know? Yeah, I'd rather be out too, dude. I'd be stressing my balls off right now still. I look away for 1 second, I swear to God, every time I go break even on trades, dude, they always come down and just stop me out by the tick. It's so funny. But, yeah. That's all we could do. All right, peace out, YouTube. Have a great weekend. Profitable week. I think we made what? We gotta add it back in here. I have to add the thing. This month, so 133 plus 133 plus 33 equals 116. We'll do that times 12 because we just got a new account. So $2,000 week, not bad. Boy. Exactly. Listen to that feeling. Look at this wing. Now, see? Here we go. See? Make us feel better about ourselves here. I'm cutting to YouTube. Peace out.